Waterfall. So many waterfalls, so little time. I actually waded in the bottom of that one, and by waded I mean with a D, where you take your shoes and socks off and you walk around in the cold water against your feet, and it's pretty cool. And so, yeah, we're just checking out these waterfalls. I don't know if you can hear me at all, but yeah. So many waterfalls. Oh, there's one over there too. This is an awesome tree. We're currently sitting in front of a fireplace and it smells really good, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
So, we found ourselves a creek, and this is one beautiful creek, I must say, right?
It's awesome. I love it.
Me too. So yeah, we got these really epic trees, and crap, it's really deep right there. So yeah, I'm basically going across the rocks and whatever. But this is very nice. It's all cold mountain water. So it's pretty good. And that was my dad. Another waterfall. The humidity is at like level 100. So the air is so thick, it's insane. Okay, that was a little bit of an exaggeration. But yeah, so we're on this path, and there's like a river down there, and then my grandpa decided to split up from us because he's a rebel, and so he's over on the other side, and we're hoping it'll meet up. These are some epic vines. And oh, look at this. Some cute little orange mushrooms. So that is awesome. This is amazing. I love how this looks. I don't know why, but I know it's like
Beautiful.
it's really beautiful. It's like those trees we saw before, but stripped of all the leaves. Like some of them still remain, but otherwise just like the bone structure of it. It looks really awesome. And there's like a little swamp in there. All right, so we're actually back at the river. There's been no loop so far, and so we know if we're gonna see our grandpa. So that's cool. So Ari's getting really close to the water, so I can just push her in. I think we're on quicksand right now. Crazy, ah! Oh wait, do we have another waterfall? Add that one to the waterfall counter. Oh, crap, now I gotta count all the waterfalls. Waterfall, waterfall, waterfall. So many waterfalls. There's one over there too. Creek, and this, add that one to the waterfall counter.
He was by himself, so
yeah.
Just didn't want him to slip or something.
So long story short, there was no loop, and so we have to go through it again. But
well, there may have been a loop, but we don't know.
yeah, but yeah, we don't want to go that far. It's so humid. We're all sweaty messes. We've been calling for my grandfather. We're not sure where he is, so he probably got eaten by Bigfoot or something. So we're gonna keep going back. Yeah. Okay, so this is close to where the entrance was, I think. And so hopefully he's gonna be here. So we found him, and now we're going the direction he went, with him this time. And because apparently it is a full loop. And so we're just gonna see what happens. So we're hot and tired, and I'm using my glutes to their full capacity because we're still going up a mountain and the air is thinning, I can tell. So I'm gonna look for an epic walking stick so I can, you know, oh, nice hot there. So yeah. So hot and sticky. Like, holy crap. We're close to the waterfall though. Hope is near. But then we have to do the whole 15-minute walk back. Sorry if I'm shaking so much. This is really rough terrain.
15 minutes total.
Oh, 15 minutes total? Really?
She said the walk is 15 minutes.
Alright, yeah, we had this lady come tell us. And actually, I can see the waterfall right now, so I'm going to try to get a little bit closer. Oh yeah, there's still a path going. So here it is. The waterfall we all waited for. It's pretty high. Pretty slick also. We're on the roundabout. We are stopped. Oh, so yeah, this is what we waited all that time for. Pretty cool, and there's a little bit more trail, and then I think it'll loop, and then we'll be back. What? Whoa. What the crap is that? We never saw that before. I think that's the one the lady was talking about.
She was talking about.
Holy crap! Let's get closer, guys. I did not expect this. Here it is. This is actually the waterfall we were hoping for, and holy crap! This is fantastic, guys. All right, we gotta get closer.
That's what I'm talking about. It's a lot higher. See? It's worth coming back here. It's worth coming back here.
Oh yeah,
That's beautiful.
that is insane. I heard water getting louder, and I was like, I don't remember that.
I know. It's like, I'm serious.
It's so big, guys. So much bigger in person. One more look at the water bottle. And waterfall. And we are gonna head back.
It looks like it's really close when you take a picture,
But it's so far, it's crazy.
so far away.
Yeah, it's way different in real life.
Just did my first letter of my name, which is an A on a tree. And we're pretty sure it's a birch tree because it looked like one, and we're
That's not
sure it is.
important.
I did it
And
with
she did it all with her fingernails because she's
Yeah.
ridiculous.
and so now my nails are dirty.
Yeah, so now we're just heading back, and my phone has about 10% left, so I'm gonna keep the vlogging down to a minimum, so goodbye. So this path is kind of like in a U shape. So my dog went up to the side, which is like 6 inches up. She started pooping, and then she backed up. So her back leg slipped, which kind of spun her around, and she continued to poop on her legs. So that was interesting. So yeah, we gotta cross this little creek here. So we just passed these 3 ladies, and 2 of them looked normal, but the one of them was rigorously dumping ice cream into like this area kind of. So I was not sure. I guess some bear will enjoy a nice cool treat.